It is very cold at the moment in Berlin, Germany, but every morning I doing this ice roller. This helped me so much with my pores because I have oily skin and I don't wash my face in the morning. So I use this every morning to clean my face, but also minimize my pores and reduce the puffiness in my face, morning puffiness. I don't wash my face in the morning with a cleanser because overnight our skin produces the oil, and that oil is very good for our skin. It's like an extra food for our skin. So try to not clean your face in the morning, just using toner or the ice roller. This is the ice cube from rice water and aloe vera. I love it. If the rice water make your skin dry, then add in aloe vera. Is very, very helpful. It's moisturize your skin and it's feel great afterwards. So one ice cube like this I use 2 times. After the ice roller, I'm using toner and then moisturizer and then sunscreen, like normal skincare. If your skin is sensitive with direct ice cube, then use this ice roller. This one you put in the freezer and then you just put it together. This will be icy cold. Then you don't have any icy water on your face. When I travel, I love to bring this one with me. So it's so easy. I don't need to deal with water. I just use this one. You can just put in the freezer in the hotel rooms. It's also be cold. It's so nice. I also use this one for other part of the body, especially for wounds or bruises. This is dry, so there's no water here. It is quite nice when my kids have some accidents or some injury. This is very simple too, but this is very useful for the whole family. Thank you so much for supporting me by ordering these products on my website. I'm very, very appreciate you. And here's again how to make rice water ice cube and aloe vera.